Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Here comes Vanilla. Anyway, yeah, in today's video we're gonna be doing crabs again. Actually trying to do 2 dishes, so I'm gonna try to make this as quickly as possible. It's like 12 o'clock. We're gonna be doing curry crabs because we have about 4 crabs left. They're still alive and everything. We have been feeding them on, you know, fruits like pineapple peels, bananas, sometimes bread, stuff like that, just to clean out their systems and to make them a little bit more healthier or cleaner of an animal to, you know, to eat. Anyhow, yeah, so we're gonna be doing curry crabs and white rice. This is something that people out here like. We just always say that curry has to go with white rice, so that's the thing. So we'll be doing that today, and yeah, that's gonna be the vibe. So that means I have to be working on 2 outdoor fires so we can have the rice going at the same time. The process of the crab is gonna be the same thing like we did in the last video. If you never check it out, go and do that. First, we're gonna boil off the dirt off the crab. You know, release any impurities that they might have. Clean the crabs off. Then we're gonna remove the backs. And then we will keep the abdomen, the legs, those parts to actually cook up for the curry crab, and that should be a really amazing dish, I hope. Oh, this is a pot from yesterday. It was black, but we had oiled it to realize that the color is back to how it was, so it shows that that technique actually works. Agreed? All right, so definitely have too much of this in here. All that ash. Start another quick cook spot. You know what? Just here. Trying to stay out of the sun as much as I can. Let's get a fire started. Fire 1 going. And fire 2. That should be enough water to give them a quick scald. For some strange reason just now I kind of miss my grandmother. It's kind of weird. Probably the word scald reminded me of something. I don't know. Anyway. Let me adjust the fire over here for the rice. Fire is going good. Go again. Yeah, a little bit more. Alright, this is not the brand rice I'm used to cooking with. You guys know every brand rice is different cooking times, different textures, but let's see how that goes. And again, our guests of honor are in here. Everybody is alive and well and waiting to be eaten. I never said in the last video about how I learned how a crab is alive. I don't look at the movement, just look at the eyes. Once them eyes are up, you know that, yeah. So, clean, or clean enough. So we're gonna boil them off a little bit, clean them even more, and then we're good to go. And hmm? Ready to take on Big Bad?
Lord of mercy. Listen, don't make me have to mash up. I don't have patience here. Down.
Good job.
No man ever in the fighting with him.
Alright, check on the rice really quick. Oh, it's boiling up nicely. It's boiling up. Alright, we don't know what I see. Alright, there it is, boiling up and thing. Still not ready yet. If we lower the flame as it, make it boil some more. Alright. Alright, so sorry it's over here, so cleaning up the crabs and thing. Julie just came back with some drinks and stuff. Alright, so here's how I want the crab. I want the legs to remain intact like that. The backs of course come off. And the abdomen's like chopped in two. The bigger claws, break them and remove the meat. Yeah,
Okay.
so we'll try to make it not as humbugging as possible. That should be the vibe.
Right,
To pull the flap, there's a flap. Yeah. So once you pull that flap, then you can remove the back.
That kind of my specialty.
There you go. So don't let that filthy thing drop back in the clean water like.
Oh no, this is dirty water.
Okay.
So this is a part that you say you want to be broken into.
Yep. Remove the gills. Alright, kinda left the cutting board, so, and the knife, so hopefully this can go straight. not really smart to cut on a metal thing because metal to metal, so I'll try avoid letting it hit the base. Hmm?
Anything else funny come up there?
You know my name, the potter?
No.
Okay.
Sir? No. Anything else?
No. It's alright. Oh, vanilla? Oh, tie before the Julian? Cut my hand.
Try to do it like 1 5.
Alright, so I'm almost certain the rice is almost done or done. Already pulled the sticks away, so it doesn't get burnt. That's what it looks like right now. Anyhow, we never had any butter down here at the time, so now we got some butter. Drop a little piece in. And we try mixing her down. Into the butter. This is definitely not shelly rice at the moment, and I doubt it will. Oh, what kind of rice? It's a grassy long, what do you call it? Long grain? I do not buy this rice. When you cook your rice, what day? Where do you come on? Did it tough?
You never saw, but if you look at it in the middle, probably could have
Cook more.
only come on.
This one, I like shelly rice. I'll eat any kind of rice, to be honest. This one can dry down some more. But it's definitely not. Just sticky rice. Sticky rice, yeah, you're right. It's more sticky. But it's definitely cooked. Flavor is good. Texture we can dry out a little bit more. Usually when rice gets to that point, there's no turning back. Alright, so I'm gonna throw some on the pot. So we can burn the curry. Alright. So I think it's an island spice curry. I know some people have them preferences. So I use it up down. So I'm gonna throw like 3/4 of this into it and then burn it. I always ask the same age-old question about burning curry for me here and there. In this case, I feel to do it so I can release some of the aromatics. Now we already sorted out some seasoning. So in here we have pimento leaves, garlic, ginger, pepper, pimento seeds, or pimento berries some people call it, onion, escallion, thyme. That's what it is. So I'm gonna throw some of these in, not all, maybe like 1/4. Oh, and there's one cinnamon leaf because I'm weird like that. Kind of saute it up a little bit, yeah. You know, some crab look yellow and some green. Some curry sorry look yellow, some green. This one is like brown. Not the best one, no. Rough daddy. Alright, oh, smells good though. Crabs. So we have the crabs, them kind of crack up and thing. Drop them there in. And the legs. You. Time on saute them in. You know what I mean? And of course the pot wants it. Act the full. It don't matter which fish. The level pot is not a bit of a deal for the moment. Huh? All good? Oh. Try make sure that everybody get coated nicely. Get a little fry up for me. Don't want it on this thick section there. I'll keep stirring it for a while and then I'll fall back. Yeah, you can put the entire thing. All of it. Can I get some salt, please? Like half a teaspoon equivalent. More. Yep. Alright, so now that we've had a nice little saute and some of the seasonings have gotten a nice little roaster. Caramelization to it. Can I get some water? Please to keep moving it because I don't want it to burn. I don't want nothing in there to burn and I've got a horrible burn flavor. More. Can I have some more water? Stop. Alright. So now, can I get some more of the seasoning? Well, all of the seasoning. I have to kind of throw this out.
Everything?
Taste this real quick, just test the saltiness.
No, some more.
Exactly. Wait, let me taste it first. Another teaspoon, half teaspoon. Yep. Thank you. And the lid. Awesome. Try an egg again now?
That's twice.
Right.
And that we want one? Call Sarah. Hot, you know, it's hot. The flavor is nice. I would have probably said something like a tip more salt.
It's gonna reduce.
What you need? Hey.
What? What do you mean,
But I want it break.
You just want it whole or so?
Yes, that's right. Sit your bop bop. Want it? No.
It's good.
It feels. Can't call that word on here. It tastes so good.
It's good?
You mean nice?
Yep.
What do you mean nice? So I think we need to.
fresh.
We need to buy live crabs and cook them instead of more often.
Yeah, more
Yeah,
often.
the meat just different. No, want to have a sweet taste to it. You just.
Yeah.
You know, something so we use the lungs. Yeah, we suck out the meat sometimes.
Yeah, man, it's done. I'll take out some medical leafy leaf.
I'm drying, son, drying. I guess it is.
Where's the tongue? Thank you. Get rid of these leaves. I don't need them anymore. They did their service. That's some boss fire people, you know. So the boss being a corporate world, you know. I don't need you anymore. Bye.
Bye-bye.
And how do you know they call us in again? No resignation and no time and limit. So I'm gonna fire you in 2 days. Cut video. Alright, this can come out right now. Hold this, Jill. Pass out the clots. Can't take one more fire. The greatest time of all times on the video for the sheer road food time. Yeah, and I bring spoon and fork.
Sarah, spoon and fork in there. Sorry. Hit there right there, so we'll look on there.
like with the gravy and running like water.
I don't too thick like.
Not too thick. Yep. Mmm.
This look good.
Yes, I am. Just wish your rice to come out a little better, but that's how it go. Jeez, oh. You know much people are watching potty, right? You know? Yeah, man.
You don't want some?
You know, watch your potty. If you don't want something off a forward, carrying up on the beach. Know what I mean?
If you're not ready to share the experience, drop it in the comment section, guys. If you don't want some, drop it in the comment section.
Nobody now get no some. And get food.
Okay, true. The gravy looks so good. Oh my gosh.
Very rich.
Very good.
Mix them up and throw them on top of all the rice. Okay. Jeez.
Oh, the gravy looks so good. You want gravy on your rice?
Yes, a little bit, please.
I was just about to say.
Presentation. May I try presentation? It's
I know, I just want this food to go in my belly.
Thank you. Yep. Vibes.
enjoy.
Thank you very much. Adios.
Hope you enjoy the food. I cook.
Lol. Yeah, nothing like being on the beach. Sitting down after toiling over some food. God is good, God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. By His hands we all are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen. Oh my. The flavors on the gravy, amazing. The rice could be improved, but it's cooked. Good flavor. It could be a little bit more shelly for me. But the gravy, it's so good. No, sir. Yo.
May I have the seat beside you?
Yes, ma'am. Yo, the cup's shut. That's so good.
You guys want some?
Ladies, drop it in the comment section if you're looking for a husband that can cook.
No.
Which woman now look for that?
So one
Funny enough, I don't mind the rice
Yeah.
being like this.
It's like a Chinese rice. Sticky rice.
Just sticky, yeah.
Like a
that's
sticky
what I'm
rice.
saying.
It's really strange that I don't mind it. But it wasn't my intention, it was came like by accident.
Compliment to dish.
But it just complement the dish. I guess because the crab is so it'll shell, you don't want to deal with that extra, you know?
Yeah. I like this one.
Nice.
Yeah.
What do you think? Nice.
Some more curry on that, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, the food here. I'm not crying.
No, make it drop. Like, I don't know how this, I was just like, nah. But something about like even the butt, it have this kind of a roasted type. I mean, can't explain it. But the seasonings were like A1. And the pepper, but it's not like, you know, them like eat pepper and they make you don't want to eat.
Yeah.
Like it, just, it can't hurt your head.
Not overbearing.
Mm.
But it's spice just right.
Yeah, I'm just like I say, like, it's not peppery, it's just spicy.
It's spicy,
Yeah.
not pep. Yeah, kind of strange to think about, but yeah.
Yeah. And then I walk past one and I say, listen, there, you know.
I mean, put him here. Hannibal. Hero.
Not they work so hard to help you put down.
No.
I think more rice.
There's something good in there.
Yeah.
Other rice me like.
You pepper curry cup over garlic.
Yeah, I believe so.
That's what it is.
I like both of them.
Garlic crab done right. Nice. Really, really nice. And everybody can make garlic crab. Some people feel like this.
Maybe that's
garlic.
why.
I'm gonna say the garlic.
Yeah.
So open the restaurant.
But you can't just suck off the leg, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Simplest things in life.
Right?
Sitting by the beach and just chilling and eating.
So simple, but
Oh.
priceless.
Everything else, there's MasterCard.
Eh? My apple was Jilly said to us to let us, so we'll have to share it.
Guys,
It sounds mean, but I mean,
Jenna was just like, well, huh?
gotta fish there.
We don't care if y'all be watching. We're glad we don't have to share today. Big up yourself.
Trust me.
You ever when you grow up and you have something and you have people around you, like friends, and you don't want to give them none of it. So you know you're supposed to offer, but you offer with a heavy heart and you say, "Dear God, do make them some no."
Yeah, make them know what.
That's how you know you're crazy. You know.
But on a real though, like we have certain menus that we plan to share. For the crab, we knew we were gonna plan to share the boiled crab yesterday.
But the curry crab.
This one was for us because it was only like 4 crabs. So it's kind of pointless. We're gonna be doing jerk chicken probably today. Yeah. And that we plan to share.
Can't wait for that.
Yep.
No, you make the meat. Come on, take a thing that them can manage.
You want some more rice? Sarah? You guys done? You take rice out of it? Today I was wearing yellow for curry.
What about the sturdy?
Nobody ever stirred the girl. That's one, dip it in some of that juice there and just rub it in the rice. Yeah.
So put little enough for it.
Listen, the food now going to my bowl, food going to your bowl.
You wanna bet?
It really is better, like everything is better. Meat is fresh. Eh?
My friend can. Don't look at me that way.
Feel relaxed. You know, a nigga is holding me, you know. Yeah, it's holding me.
That's all for Yo. This is from a leg. Oh my gosh.
As in a regular basic leg or
Yeah,
the
basic
chunga
leg. I just crack it right and look what I got.
Well, hello there, Flash. Check out. Good. Can't let that movie camera in. Let's see there. Don't touch on the meat.
When since you into crab like that?
Huh?
When since you into crab like that?
So I was thinking of when somebody take out something there and bring somebody ginger. A ginger this? I didn't say ginger. I'm telling you.
That's not the worst thing. And when you leave the ginger thing of meat
That man go say.
and then you bite it.
You love people last and you say,
you
yeah.
have a nice piece of meat leave. And the worst thing ever.
You're right now.
That's nice.
The meat's sweet. I'm not putting no sugar.
The meat just
The meat is sweet.
Very sweet.
Because we gave the crab pineapple to eat.
Oh, we hear that's a pineapple. Oh.
No, no, but
You didn't hear that before?
no.
No, you didn't hear that.
Of course, we've all heard about it.
Oh. Drop it in the comments, guys. Pineapple for what? You also want to get take it away.
It's what it.
Thank you. I am giving the smallest one.
But you know that, you measure them.
Come here, looking at plate.
I like when you bite it at the leg, and because the meat is so soft, it shoots out. Mm-hmm. Mad.
Yo. Put it on a road to the road.
Like yesterday, I talk about him I'm like,
So I gone back to the pot.
oh, the bag of blowing.
Hey, you want a Pepsi?
Yeah, please.
Oh, yes, sir.
It's in shell. What's the news I saying there?
It's shell. Alright, guys. So, my hands are messy, curried, crime scene. And that probably is the best crab I've ever eaten. The one yesterday for me was, yeah, good. But, yeah, and I'm not a fan of crabs like that. These two are. So anyway, I'm gonna finish out this video now.
That was like,
Guys, it was a lovely day, lovely food, lovely crab.
lovely company.
Yeah. So remember these 3 things? Love,
Love,
nature, adaptation,
adaptation,
and always remember to keep the link. Bye.